If you're tired of plugging your phone in every time you get in your car, dealing with worn-out charging cables, or wanting wireless convenience in your factory CarPlay system, you need to see this. Today, we're counting down the 5 best wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapters that deliver seamless wireless connectivity without lag. From basic CarPlay-only adapters to dual-function units supporting both platforms, you don't need a new car for wireless smartphone integration. Whether you're an iPhone user, Android user, or household with both, we've got the perfect adapter. I've dropped updated links in the description. Let's get into it. At number 5 is the Wireless CarPlay Adapter Upgrade. Wired to wireless at $50 to $80, typically $60 to $70. The adapter features plug-and-play setup requiring no additional apps. Simply plug into your car's USB port, pair your iPhone once via Bluetooth, and it automatically connects on subsequent starts. The adapter supports CarPlay wirelessly with stable connection. The compact dongle design doesn't protrude excessively from the USB port. Connection reliability is adequate with occasional reconnection delays during startup taking 10 to 15 seconds. The latency is acceptable for basic CarPlay functions, though you might notice slight delays with Siri responses. The adapter works with iPhones running iOS 10 and newer. Setup takes under 2 minutes. Build quality is basic plastic construction. The adapter stays cool during operation. Firmware updates are available through the manufacturer's app. For iPhone users wanting simple wired-to-wireless conversion or anyone wanting the cheapest wireless CarPlay solution, this delivers functional performance. At number 4 is the 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay adapter plug-and-play at $70 to $100, typically $75 to $85. The adapter supports both wireless CarPlay for iPhone and wireless Android Auto for Android phones. The plug-and-play design requires no apps with automatic connection after initial pairing. The adapter switches seamlessly between iPhone and Android devices when different phones enter the car. The compact design fits discreetly in USB ports. Connection reliability is solid with consistent pairing on startup within 8 to 10 seconds. The latency is low enough for smooth navigation and voice assistant responses. The adapter maintains stable Wi-Fi connection for CarPlay/Android Auto, while Bluetooth handles initial pairing. Compatibility covers iPhone's iOS 10 Plus and Android phones with Android Auto support. Build quality is decent with durable plastic construction. The adapter includes LED indicator showing connection status. Firmware updates improve compatibility. For multi-device households, people who switch between iPhone and Android, or anyone wanting versatile compatibility, this delivers good value. At number 3 is the wireless CarPlay adapter for iPhone/Android, with enhanced connection speed at $80 to $120. Typically $90 to $100. That's mid-range wireless adapter pricing with better performance than budget options. The adapter features upgraded Wi-Fi chip, providing faster connection speeds and lower latency than budget options. Automatic connection happens within 5 to 8 seconds after car startup consistently. The adapter supports both CarPlay and Android Auto with seamless switching between platforms. The improved processor reduces lag in voice responses and navigation updates, making daily use smoother. Connection reliability is excellent with stable performance even in areas with Wi-Fi interference from other devices. The adapter maintains audio quality matching wired connections without compression. Setup remains plug-and-play simple, requiring no apps or configuration. The compact design includes built-in heat dissipation, preventing overheating. Build quality steps up with aluminum housing, providing better heat management and durability than plastic adapters. The adapter includes status LED showing connection state. Firmware updates are automatic when connected, improving compatibility over time. What makes this adapter number 3 is improved connection speed and reliability over budget options. For users prioritizing quick connection times, anyone experiencing lag with cheaper adapters, or people wanting reliable daily driver performance, this delivers noticeably better experience worth the price increase. At number 2 is the CarPlay Android Auto USB 2-in-1 wireless adapter with premium features at $100 to $150. Typically $110 to $130. That's premium wireless adapter pricing with flagship features. The adapter features Wi-Fi 6 technology, providing ultra-fast connection with minimal latency for responsive performance. Connection happens within 3 to 5 seconds after ignition consistently. The adapter supports simultaneous Bluetooth for calls while maintaining Wi-Fi for CarPlay/Android Auto seamlessly. The advanced chip handles data transfer efficiently, preventing slowdowns. Connection reliability is exceptional with rock-solid performance in all conditions, including high-traffic Wi-Fi environments. The adapter automatically reconnects even after brief disconnections, maintaining continuous use. Audio quality is lossless, maintaining full fidelity for audio files. Setup includes optional app for firmware updates and settings adjustment when needed. Build quality is premium with metal construction and effective thermal management, keeping temperatures low. The adapter runs cool even during extended use on long drives. Indicator lights are subtle, not causing distraction. Compatible with wide range of car models and phone versions, ensuring broad compatibility. Advanced features include automatic device switching when different phones approach the vehicle. The adapter prioritizes last used device intelligently. Firmware updates are frequent, improving compatibility. For users wanting absolute best performance, tech enthusiasts prioritizing latest standards, or anyone frustrated with slower adapters, this delivers flagship experience. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Rexing CPW42 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter, earning this position by delivering the best overall balance of reliability, speed, features, and value. Pricing runs from about $90 to $130 depending on sales, typically $100 to $120. That's excellent value for premium-level performance from a trusted brand. The Rexing CPW42 features optimized firmware, providing ultra-reliable connection with minimal lag. The adapter connects automatically within 5 seconds of car startup consistently. The dual-platform support handles both CarPlay and Android Auto flawlessly with intelligent device switching. The connection stability rivals factory wireless systems. The adapter maintains perfect audio quality with no compression or dropouts. The latency is imperceptible for navigation, Siri/Google Assistant, and media control. The setup is genuinely plug-and-play, requiring zero configuration beyond initial pairing. The compact design fits flush in most USB ports without protruding. Build quality is excellent with premium materials and effective heat dissipation, keeping temperatures optimal. The adapter runs cool, maintaining performance during long drives in hot weather. The indicator LED is subtle and informative without being distracting. Rexing's reputation for quality dash cams extends to their adapter with reliable performance backed by solid customer support. The firmware updates are regular, improving compatibility with new phone models and car systems. The adapter works with virtually all factory CarPlay/Android Auto systems. The connection range is excellent, allowing phone to stay in pockets or bags. The automatic reconnection is instant, even after brief power interruptions. What makes the Rexing CPW42 number 1 is delivering premium connection reliability and speed at mid-range pricing from a trusted automotive electronics brand. Rexing optimized the firmware specifically for automotive use, resulting in consistently reliable performance that just works. The connection speed rivals adapters, costing 50% more. The reliability is exceptional with rare connection issues, and the build quality ensures longevity. For daily drivers wanting set-it-and-forget-it reliability, iPhone and Android users needing versatile compatibility, anyone upgrading from budget adapters experiencing lag, or people wanting the best overall wireless CarPlay/Android Auto experience without paying flagship prices, the Rexing CPW42 delivers exactly that. The combination of rock-solid reliability, fast connection, dual-platform support, and reasonable pricing makes it the best wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter you can buy right now.